VoltShare chargers are here to zap you back to life, and using them couldn't be simpler. Here's all you need to know in under 60 seconds. First things first, gotta plug in your car. For tethered chargers, the cable is already there, just waiting to be plugged into your car. Untethered units, whip out your own cable and connect it to the charger, then to your car. Easy peasy. Next, see that QR code on the charger? That's your ticket to charging Nirvana. Scan it with your phone's camera, or if you download the free VoltShare app, you can scan it there. Once you've signed up, the app or website will walk you through picking your payment method. Credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, we got you covered. No cash necessary. And there you have it. Your car is happily sipping on electrons. Now you can relax, scroll through memes, or contemplate the deeper meaning of life. Because why not? Once you're topped up, simply unplug your car and head out. A receipt will magically appear in your email like a digital charging fairy godmother. See? Told you it was easy. Now get out there and conquer the road with your fully charged electric steed.